Guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, as you could probably tell from the title, I'm going to be doing my teeth whitening routine. This video is also sponsored by Novashine, so thank you so much Novashine for all of the items that you sent me. I'm literally so excited to show you guys everything that they sent over. Their products genuinely work. They genuinely have done things for my smile, my teeth. They really do have so many good products. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe down below and also turn on the post notification bell. You can be notified as soon as I post a YouTube video. Also, don't forget to check out novashine over on their website, on Instagram. I will have all their information down below for you guys in case you actually really genuinely do want to try out their products. I just realized my necklace is completely upside down. Without further ado, let's go on and get started with my teeth whitening routine. Before I show you guys all the items that Novashine sent over, I did want to say that they did give me a code, and I actually forgot to say this in the intro. I will have it down below in the description box. This is actually my second tooth whitening kit. So many people have tried this product out and completely love it. I'm one of those people. What I love about this one is like it literally comes with everything that you need. When it comes to teeth whitening, I just hate buying everything separately. So the fact that everything comes in this little box that's cutely packaged is like awesome. And I also really like how the expiration date is in the back, so you'll know exactly when you need a new gel or a new kit or whatnot. This one is literally good until 2022. They sent me their whitening kit, and then they also sent me something that I actually haven't tried before. They did send me their electric toothbrush, which I actually did need a new toothbrush, you guys. My other one was so nasty. It's literally like a $2 one from Target. So thank you Novashine, because I actually did need a new toothbrush. They also did send me their natural teeth whitening toothpaste. Packaging is so cute. These two products are new to me, so I will be updating you guys over on my Instagram stories of how I'm liking these two. Not gonna lie, I did unbox the toothbrush earlier because I just literally couldn't wait. This is what it looks like. Again, I love the packaging of it. It's like all white, and what I like about it is that it comes with like 5 different settings. The noise it made is just like something else. This is sort of what the head looks like. I just really overall love this product. It also does come with an extra head for the toothbrush. It comes with 2, so this should last you for minimum like 2 to 4 months for sure without replacing it. And the toothbrush also does come with this charger, which I actually think is so aesthetically pleasing. I love how you don't have to buy any batteries or anything like that. It comes with its own charger. Once again though, I haven't tried these items yet, so I will be letting you guys know for sure over on my Instagram how I'm liking them. I'm honestly so excited to try all of these out. Now we're actually going to start talking about the kit, which is what I use personally to whiten my teeth. First thing you honestly want to do is take this little card. You kind of want to put it against your teeth and kind of see what shade of white your teeth are before you start whitening. I actually think this is so cool, the fact that you could see a before and an after. In this bottom part, you could write down your before shade and then your after shade. If you guys are doing this for the first time, definitely do this first. Like I said, I just think it's so cool that you get to see progress. When you open up your kit, it's gonna come with instructions. So in case you forget anything that I say, it's literally all in this card, and it's just 6 simple quick steps. Honestly, probably even less than 6 steps. It also does come with some tips in the bottom of this card, so this card is definitely going to be your best friend when you guys do try this out. Before you do anything, you're just quickly going to want to go and rinse your mouth really quick just to make sure you don't have any food or anything like that. If you want to brush your teeth, you could do that as well, but just make sure you do it more on like the gentle side, since you're going to be putting this in your mouth. This is what the mouthpiece looks like. I'm also going to have some shots where I zoom into it so you guys can see it better. It's just literally all clear, and this is exactly what you're gonna put into your mouth, kind of going in like that. The bottom just sort of looks like this, and in the box just comes this little adapter, which you're just gonna plug in like this. The cool part is that you could actually plug this into 3 different outlets. If you're working on assignments or something, you could always plug this into your laptop, and then you have 2 other different adapters. The one I personally use the most is the one that goes in your phone, which is this one right here. So I literally just plug it in like this, and then it turns blue. I probably look a little crazy right now, but it's gonna turn blue, and this is exactly what it's gonna look like when you put it in your mouth. I just love the fact that you could plug it into your phone if you want to, only because I know a lot of us are on the go. I know it can be hard for some of us to stay still for like 30 minutes just sitting there. You always have the option to move around if you use the phone adapter thingy. Also, I'm just quickly gonna show you guys what the teeth whitening gels look like. I've already started to use this one right here, trying to get my teeth white and looking good. So this is basically what it looks like. It's just all clear, nothing weird or anything. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna push on it, and then you're just gonna coat the bottom and the top. I believe it's about 1 millimeter, so not too much, but not too little. Just wanna make sure you get it like all over so it could like disperse around your teeth equally. That's when you basically connect the adapter to whatever device you want. You put it in your mouth, and then I personally always leave it on for about 30 minutes. I always try to get the most out of it, so that's why I do the full 30 minutes. But in reality, if you wanted to, you could do anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. After those 30 minutes are done, you literally just go to the sink, you rinse out all that excess gel and all that stuff, and that's literally it. Like, it's so quick, it's so easy. I feel like there's not a lot of confusion, especially after the first time when you figure everything out. It's just literally such a quick process. I personally always love doing this before I either like go on a trip and I want to like feel good and confident, or if I were to have some type of like formal or semi-formal for my sorority. Like, I always do this before events like that. I just feel like when you have a bright smile that you feel good about, you're obviously gonna want to smile more, and you're obviously gonna want to talk to more people. So that is literally it, you guys. Like, there's nothing to this. Like, it's so quick and easy, and if you really wanted to, you could also do this several times a day. As long as your teeth aren't feeling sensitive or anything, go for it. And obviously, don't forget to go back into your little card and put your finishing shade. I promise you, you will notice a difference. The first time I ever used the kit, like, I actually did go down in a few shades, honestly. Like, I was probably like, I can't even remember, but I was like somewhere over here, and I did get closer to the one. I'm telling you guys, this definitely does work, so give it a try if you want. If you're insecure about your smile or anything like that, give it a try. You really never know what works for you until you try it out. I really recommend you guys investing into yourself, into your smile, so you can feel good and confident like the beautiful people that you guys are. That is it for today's video. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to show you guys my smile. So I really love how my teeth look. Like, I just feel like they just like Thank you so much again to Novashine for partnering with me in this video. I will have all their information down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video coming up very soon.